In this tutorial, we will be taking a look at the mockup feature in Adobe Illustrator, which recently had a new update. So I have two objects here. I have my box, which is a image, and I have my icon I want to use on my box, which is a vector image. So do make sure that what you want to use on the mockup, so I want this to be on my box here, this should be a vector image, and the thing you want to use it on should be a normal image. So if this was a vector, a normal image, and this was a vector, then it would try to put the box inside this icon. So just make sure that this is an image and the thing you want to use on the image as mockup is a vector. So that being said, I have my two items here and I'm going to go to Window and choose Mockup. And this opens a mockup window. Now, the mockup window also has built-in mockups you can use, or you can use your own. So I'm going to select both these, and then you can see here it says create mockup, which I'm going to do. And then Illustrator will start thinking, and it will start progressing and eventually make a mockup. And now we have a mockup. As you can see here, I can move it around, I can slide it on top, maybe make it a bit like this, or just on the top of it, or more like this. And the new update they did improved the quality for planar surfaces. So as you can see here, as we move around, they improved the quality of what's happening here, so it looks more realistic. And then you can just slide around, place it wherever you want to place it. And then in this mockup window, you also see that your fragile, in this case, icon has been placed on several things which Illustrator has already at the ready for you, and you can change on top of here if you want it somewhere else. You can also choose to create a template of your mockup here by pressing this plus sign. And now you have added a template which you can find under your mockups. Now, if you're done or you're like, I want to change this, I want to release it, as you can see here, you have a button which is called release. And when you press this, image is no longer linked as a mockup to your other image you used to create that mockup. So really simple, has been improved recently. So just a vector and an image, select both of them, go in the mockup window, select create mockup, and then Illustrator will start progressing it for you and create a mockup of what you have chosen to make a mockup from. A quick tutorial on the new feature in the mockup tool in Adobe Illustrator. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you like my video, press the like button if you did, press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos, new videos going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.